Hello everyone, my name is Eric, and I'm a cryptocurrency trader. Today I'd like to tell you about how I make money from cryptocurrency trading, as well as how each of you can make $1,000 every day. Let me start with a few words about myself. I manage over $6 million in assets. My personal crypto portfolio is $800,000. In the last year, I increased the assets under control by 700%. That's a great result, but it wasn't always like this. I spent 6 years in the cryptocurrency industry. This taught me a lot and gave me valuable experience. In fact, I am now dedicated to trading cryptocurrency on the exchange. Of course, I don't do it all by myself. I have a staff of 12 professionals working under my direction. To avoid being unsubstantiated, let's consider my personal account on the exchange where I trade, as well as my trades during the last few days. So here's a rundown of the recent trades. At the moment, my crypto portfolio on this exchange is just over $300,000. I divided it up the following way. Bitcoin makes up half of my portfolio. Ethereum makes up another quarter, and Litecoin, XRP, and USDT make up the final quarter. Let's see how much I have earned over the past few days. On March 8th, late in the evening, I had about 6,300 USDT on my balance. I increased the USDT balance to $27,400 as a consequence of the last 4 days of trading. That means I made more than $21,000 in net money. Let's have a look at a few options. For example, a Dash coin. I entered the trade on March 12th at 2:44 p.m. for $400. I was anticipating a significant increase, and the likelihood of that increase in my judgment was as high as it could be. That's why I used a leverage of 65 in my trades. So how much do we have in total? I started my career here and finished it right here. The coin grew at a rate of roughly 6% every year. But don't forget about the shoulder of 65. All in all, I got $1,134 out of this deal. Let's take a look at another transaction, this time with a Luna coin. I went for a greater amount of $1,700 in this example, although the leverage was just 20. Let me tell you up front that the deal made a net profit of $2,000. Let's take a closer look at the graph. The point of entry was here, and the close point was right here. Of fact, it was a short because the price dropped by more than 10%. However, because we used a leverage of 20, the net profit from this fantastic bargain was more than $2,000. Over the course of 4 days, I made 10 profitable deals and earned a total of $21,000. It's hardly the best result. In fact, for me, it's fairly mediocre. It's just that at the time the video was recorded, those were the last deals. At the beginning, I promised to tell you how you, too, can get a guaranteed income from trading. To do that, I've started my own Telegram channel, which anyone may join by clicking the link in the description box. Let's go to the channel. I will show you everything you need. I post all my trades on this channel. Here's an example of trades that I managed yesterday. The net profit I got was $7,548. In addition, I publish reports on my client work. Let's see. Here you can find all of our correspondence as well as information about how the work was completed and how much money the trader made. Everything in my channel is transparent. I provide the Telegram nicknames of each customer with their consent. I often use the channel to share my reflections and views. You may subscribe to and read all of the information on the channel because it is open and transparent. Every day I invest 3 hours in work with my subscribers. After working with me, each subscriber multiplies gains by 7 to 10 times on average. I think that's a great result. It is safe and risk-free. When newcomers enter the market, they tend to make a lot of mistakes, and there are a lot of individuals entering the market right now. Therefore, the crypto investment community is growing. Let's make this a quality, honest, and effective community together. Unfortunately, there's a lot of fraud and speculation on the market right now. Maybe I can save some of you from losing your money. So I outline my working principles. If you have any questions, you can write to me, and I will be happy to answer them. Feel free to contact me on Telegram. Once again, let me remind you that I left the link to my channel in the description below the video and in the attached comment. If you want to change your financial situation for the better and become independent, then go to the channel right now and click subscribe. And I say goodbye to you all. I hope this video will change some of your lives.